Good morning, folks. I don't know what's going on with this weather. April 18th, it's 24 degrees. I'm freezing. I planned on shorts today. It's not going to work out. Maybe later. So, you know, I'm an idiot. Last video we did, I was filming Craig at the door, and everybody saw our little hiding place for the key to get in. Thank you, Just Me. So now, Jammer over the weekend had to go get a bunch of keys made and get that out of there. Yeah, that's right. I wanted to get to the shop here early because we're doing an underground tank removal, above ground tank installation. Wanted to get everything ready for the boys, get a jump on stuff. Nope. Did not bring a key. So, that's it. It could give us more time together. But it's early. I don't know what to say. So we will, I guess, jump back in the truck and head back home to get the key. I'm thinking this may not be a good Monday. So I'm gonna head back to the house to get a key. Yep. Cool. All right. So I'm locked out of there. I'm locked out of there. All right. We're gonna wait for Craig. Hopefully he's early today. Craig's here. I don't even think he knows about this key thing. Let's see what he's got. Oh, let's watch him check for the key.
What's up?
Nothing.
Here's the key.
What key? We filmed.
You said I'm locked out.
Yeah.
Where'd you put it?
Sam came and made duplicates. You have a key?
Possibly.
Wow. Well, he's on his way. This is exciting. The locks look like it's seen some better days.
Yeah, I don't really think the key was stopping people from breaking in.
Well, we don't want to break it.
Come on.
That's not even close. All right. We wait for Sam. It's going to be a good day. Good morning, Sam. Good morning, Mike. They love when I stick that camera in their face in the morning. They don't like the camera at all. Probably knew that already. Got my key. Thank you. And now the week starts.
We're driving cars on a Mars tonight. We're blasting off to the stars tonight. We wanna go, go. We wanna go, go.
We then select the tank that the homeowner has ordered. We carry 275-gallon vertical tanks. We've got horizontal tanks. We also have the standard 20, the Echo Guard or the Green Shield That is a 20 and 30-year warranty. Over here are our 330-gallon verticals and horizontals. GRANBY also makes that extra. It's a polyurethane coating on the outside, which gives you a 20-year warranty. And then it's also it's got both of those features. It's got a double wall bottom, and it's got the polyurethane coating, which is a 30-year warranty. We also carry 275-gallon Roth tanks and 400-gallon Roth tank, which is also a 30-year warranty tank, which is it's a double wall, and it's got a leak monitor on it. It'll let you know if the inner wall lets go. We have arrived at our destination. Hey, what is that, a curb there? You're gonna have to come in, it's over here. I think it's gonna be under that little house. Yep. All right, so we have a plan of attack here. I'm gonna take the trailer off. I'm gonna go get the mats out. I'm gonna lay some ground protecting mats right here. I'm gonna sit in front. We're gonna pull one of the masons in. I'll dig into the back of the masons and figure out where to put all these trucks. Alright, so the kids challenged me here to not disturb the sidewalk. And then when I won't damage the sidewalk, I won't get an attaboy down.
Right, you're right. They want to buy your bidders after.
Yeah, yep. So we'll go down now and see how Craig's doing. How we doing out here?
Great.
He's just gonna dig that vegetation out of there. And he's just gonna put a little bit of the crush down, get it level, compact it. That'll be good. Where you going in?
I don't know. Either here.
The burner room's right in the other side of this, isn't it?
It's like 10 feet to the right. And
oh, it is?
15 feet in.
All right. A little bit of physical labor and they all abandon you, Craig.
You ever know? I did all the mats.
I do.
You did a couple.
I noticed. I noticed. I think it's the pay scale. You make 8 times more than them, so they may take that personally. I don't know. But this is the grunt work. This is what.
Yeah.
This is why
we're laughing right now, thinking this is grunt work. We're scraping up.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. There are guys out there that actually do physical labor.
Yeah.
My bad. Yeah. We just haven't found a machine to do this for us yet, because if we did, we'd buy it.
Facts. Up.
You did that non-stop?
Non-stop flight.
Way to go, boys. Oh, shoot. We were supposed to get the green one to match the siding. So on an outside tank installation, we bring an item to put under the block. We'll actually dig into semi-virgin ground, remove the vegetation. We set the blocks, we get those level, and then we install our tank. It's a 6-inch riser, 6-inch riser. This is a vent alarm sight gauge combo. This is a 3/8 duplex. These are the drop tubes, the return and suction line. That tube goes all the way down to the bottom of the tank, and then it's pulled up about 2 to 3 inches off it. So that's a good install right there. Okay, so I hear Sammy cutting. That thick tank, right?
No.
Oh, I thought it was. He'll always disagree with me. You got kids like that? Old blade.
Yeah, I'm in a new blade.
Agree with me on that. Do you have one here?
In the box.
If you're ever in the market, these are the best Sawzall blades. And trust me, Milwaukee doesn't pay me. Michael is in a Tyvek suit. He's got his boots on, breathing apparatus, gloves, 5-gallon spackle buckets, and we have the, where's the scraper? Oh, it's in the bucket. 10-inch spackle knife. You need the bucket? She's full.
Yeah.
Head over here, Mike.
Nice job, Mike. Okay, so we took a scoop. She's good. The tank is close though. It's close. If you see those right there, that pitting, this thing is ready to go.
Get out of the tank.
That thing is ready to go. Okay, tank's full. Craig he's drilling. I guess he's gonna come underground with it. Let's just see what it looks like inside. Everything's going smooth. One of our favorite inspectors here, Danny. He liked what he saw. Not a surprise. Whoa, what the heck are you doing in here?
Running copper.
Man.
Seems like it's a one-man operation.
Well, you know, we did hook up earlier and say that. Where are you coming in? Oh, right there?
Yeah.
You're gonna tack it along right there. Let me help you send it. Then you're gonna come down and hook it in. So we transferred probably 75 gallons. Oh, you can hear the burners running. And the lines do vibration fittings over. And we're gonna caulk that, and then Sammy will concrete it. Gonna get a lot of wind shear off this. Any farmland like that, it gets pretty bad. So gelling is a thing of the past. Most of these companies, when you go from an underground to an above ground tank, they'll put an additive in it for you. Maybe costs a penny or two a gallon, or you can put it in yourself. But you know, gelling essentially is a thing of the past, and the gelling actually doesn't occur in the tank, it occurs in the line. So what we do is we just try to minimize as much of the line as possible. So Craig did a good job with that. It's maybe 18 inches that's showing. We'll clean that up a little bit. It's pretty darn good though. It's got a slight pitch downward right to the drain plug. The seam is showing. These are the things that you need to have happen for your warranty to be valid. And that's about it. That's an above ground tank installation. Backfilled all that overburden. It's all compacted. And I had a load of dirt, but I forgot. When I came and spoke to him about the site inspection, he told me that this whole area is going to be all new concrete. So we went back to get concrete for him. So that'll make the concrete contractor very happy. And we'll put that in and compact it, sweep up. Fairly easy job. And my kids challenged me. The homeowner said that this all is coming out anyway, and I wanted to take it out, so my kids tell me I can't pull that out without pulling that out, so they broke my chops. But notice how I pulled it out. We don't hear one say, "Attaboy, Daddy, good job." Nothing. But you know I would have heard something if I screwed it up. Hey Mike, you notice how I didn't get the concrete?
Yeah.
No attaboy?
I told you.
You did?
I said you would. You don't need to get rid of it.
Oh no, but not a nice job, Daddy, or?
Oh, it's impressive.
Okay, thank you. When you gotta beg for it like that, no good. Okay, we have a happy customer here. It's not unusual for us, though. I think you've witnessed it before. No leaker. It's all filled in. We're going to rake this back and blow it clean a little bit. That's not bad considering we had 37,000 pounds on it. Everything looks good. Happy customer. Oh man, it's good to be us. That's another fine job by Tank Masters Environmental. And the reason that my thumbnail had in red unbelievable was because it's unbelievable a tank passes. We had 7 failures right in a row and this one passed. So I'm happy for this guy.